Meron pa bang parts ng game as a team? Meron pa ba kayong gustong i-improve?
Well, mga, syempre, marami-rami pa, of course, but the main thing is, pinaka-importante dito is kami as a team, same page kami sa lahat ng gagawin namin. So, mas okay sa amin yun kung lahat kami pare-pareho ng target, no, sa game plan. So, ngayon sa team, kailangan namin maging same page para maging better sa this coming first game namin.
Kamusta naman yung connection mo with your teammates, lalo na ilang araw na lang World Cup na?
Well, medyo matagal naman din ng mga pinagsamahan namin, madami na akong pinagdaanan, especially off the court, no. So we sana off the court we really know each other na. So sana madala namin on the court during games. So this is what it takes, lahat ng maibigay namin, ibibigay na namin lahat.
Yung back-to-back losses, no, sa tune-up, anong lessons na natutunan niyo dun sa losses?
Well, it's hard, no, na matalo sa even though tune-up games, but I think for us, we need to think really positive despite the loss. We really need to be more positive coming to this first game namin. So kinukuha namin yung mga positive thoughts sa games namin. So yung mga negative na nagagawa namin the past tune-up games. So we learn from it. And sana mas ma-improve namin coming na sa first game talaga namin.
Balikan ko lang, coming from injury, kamusta ang nararamdaman? Tsaka may effect ba sa game?
For now, hindi ko na iniisip yung injury. No? It's for the country already. So, no matter what, kung ano mangyari, basta gusto kong mangyari dito, wala akong pagsisihan sa uli. Naibigay ko yung best ko para sa bansa.
May napag-usapan ba kayo? Anong nararamdaman niyo?
Well, yun nga, yung mga coaches staff, especially Coach Shot, talagang pinupoint out nila sa amin kung gaano kahalaga, no, at gaano ka-inspiring na maglaro para sa bansa. And of course, alam namin kung ano yung responsibilidad namin ngayon para sa bansa. So, hopefully, we'll make all Carbabayas proud.
Scotty, so far, kamusta naman yung health mo after mo makabalik from injury?
Everything is good naman, so slowly getting back, and of course, slowly getting better yung kamay ko. Patagal ng patagal yung araw, so nag-heal naman siya everyday, so nag-i-improve siya everyday. So that's a good thing and good news.